This is a mindfulness exercise, the observing mountain. Start off by getting into a comfortable position, seated or lying down. If you feel comfortable, allow your eyes to gently close. If not, maintain a soft focus on a spot in front of you. Taking a few moments to connect with your breathing, noticing each full in-breath and each full out-breath. And as you focus on the breath, you may become aware of thoughts, maybe about things that happened earlier today, things on your to-do list, or something else. Whatever thoughts show up, just simply notice them and gently return your attention back to the breath. Now bring to mind the image of a mountain, perhaps a mountain you have visited or seen in photographs, or maybe just one you can bring up in your imagination. Bring into focus as many details of this mountain as possible. Imagine its size and shape. Perhaps it has a snow-covered peak with trees and meadows on its lower slopes. Notice that your mountain, like all mountains, has a solid, unmoving base. However the mountain appears, just sitting and breathing with the image of this mountain, observing it and noticing its qualities. And when you feel ready, see if you can bring the mountain into your own body, so that your body and the mountain become one. Perhaps your head is the mountain's peak, your shoulders and arms are the sides of the mountain, and your bottom and legs are its solid base. With each breath, you become a little bit more the mountain, solid, still, and centered. And as you connect with the solid core of your mountain, can you also observe its surface, noticing the multitude of changes that take place on it from day to day and season to season? As day turns to night, perhaps noticing how the temperature drops and the light gradually fades. In spring, perhaps you can feel a gentle rain or notice dense fog obscuring the view from your mountain. In summer, meadows may be filled with wildflowers, mountain goats graze in the sun, or forest fires may ravage the surface. In winter, you may watch as snow falls softly on stately greens, or avalanches destroy everything in its path. You may also notice people on your mountain voicing their different opinions of it. It is the best or the worst mountain they've seen, or it is too easy or difficult to climb. And as you observe all these changes on the surface of your mountain, can you also realize that its solid base remains unchanged? Perhaps at times in your own day-to-day life you connect with your inner mountain, embodying its strength and stability, observing your thoughts and feelings as you would the ever-changing surface of a mountain. And realize as you notice thoughts and feelings come and go, that your essential self, your core, remains unchanged. And so in the remaining moments, continue sitting with your observing mountain. And once again, take in one last image of your mountain, reminding yourself that at any moment you can come back to this solid, secure base. Now noticing any sounds around you, noticing the places where your body makes contact with the chair or floor. And when you're ready, you can come back to this moment. And like I always say, I hope you continue nurturing your mind, body, and soul, whatever that looks like for you.